Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cabinet. So as you can see, I already have an opened new casework family. So now I'm showing you the front view where we can see our height. And we're going to our reference view, reference level. And I'm just going to change the height. Now you can't see what I'm doing, but I changed the width to 600. There we go. Now we're going to start to put reference planes. I'll put 2 reference planes here. This one is for the cabinet door and this one is for the toe kick. So yeah, let's dimension it so it can move along when we change the width or the height of our cabinet. So I'm just gonna change the dimension. I'll put 13 millimeters, and here I'll put 102 millimeters. And then let's lock it. It is important to lock every dimensions or everything, lock everything. Now we go to the front view and do the same thing. Let's draw a reference plane for the toe kick and for the gap of the door. And let's put the same dimension, 102 for the toe kick and 13 for the cabinet door, and lock it. I will draw another reference plane here for the top of the cabinet. I will put 25 millimeters here. And then lock it. Yep. Now we have this. Let's create reference planes for our cabinets, our pool cabinets, and so I'll just draw reference planes for 2 pull-out cabinets. So I'm just going to copy the dimensions from my previous work, and let's copy from the previous work the dimensions so we have the same dimensions. Change it to 6 inches, and this is the gap for the cabinet upper drawer and the lower drawer. It will be 13 millimeters. And I'll draw another one and do the same thing. Right there. change the dimension first before locking it. 6 inches and 30 millimeters here. Then lock it. Make sure everything is locked. Now, just fixing. Now we have this reference planes. We are ready to draw our cabinet. We're going to draw extrusions. Go to extrusion, pick the square one. This is for the toe kick. Lock everything in. Hit the check. And let's go to the front view and adjust the height. I'll lock it there. Right. Now let's check in 3D. Now we have the toe kick. Now we have to draw our cabinet. Go to extrusion, draw a square up until that. Lock it in place. Make sure that everything is locked so that we don't have problems when we flex it later. Go to the front view and adjust it to the height. Use the align tool. And align it to the top. Lock it. And let's check our 3D model. There we go. Now I will teach you how to do a hollow core using void extrusion. Let's set the offset to 3¼ inches. Draw a square. Oops, no, we have to make it negative, so the offset will be inwards. Right there, right. Hit the check button and let's go to our front view and adjust our extrusion, void extrusion. Okay, lock it in place. Let's check our 3D. There you go. You can see that our cabinet now has a hole in it. And yeah, it's pretty easy to do. Just very simple steps. Now I'm just going to flex it. I'm just changing the height and the width. You can't really see what I'm doing here. I don't know why. Because maybe because of the screen recorder that I'm using. But you can see here that I'm flexing it. it is very important to flex your project once in a while to make sure that you don't do anything bad or you didn't do any mistake. Now we're going to start drawing our pull-out cabinets, drawers. Here I forgot to draw another reference plane for the door, where our door will start. I'll just draw two reference plane on both sides and dimension it. There you go. Then I'll just change it to 13 millimeters, both of it. Sorry for the background noise. My family is kinda noisy upstairs. They're having a party. Never mind that. Now we are good to go. We can start draw extrusions. Go to extrusion, draw a box. There you go. Lock it in place. Draw another box here for the second pull-out drawer. Lock it in place. And another bigger box here for our open and close cabinet. I don't know what it's called, but you can open and close the door of it. It's not a pull-out cabinet. And make sure that everything is locked in place. There we go. Hit the check mark. Now we have the extrusions on. We can go to our it's kind of lagging. Now we can go to our right view so we can adjust our extrusions. We're just going to use the align tool for it. Let's align the back of the extrusion to the face of our cabinet, and let's align the front to this plane. Lock it in place. Let's go to the front view. Here we go. There's our cabinet. Let's flex it. And now you can't really see what I'm doing. I don't know what's the problem of my screen recorder, but it doesn't show the flexing process that I'm doing. Now we have to insert this door handle that I made previously, loaded in our project, and let's put it on our cabinet drawers. There you go, and there you go. So I'll just put dimensions on it, so when we change our height or width, it will never move in place. it will stay in the middle of our drawers. Make sure to lock all the dimensions that we'll put. Let's put 3 inches because our drawer is the 6 inches, so 3 inches so that the handle will be in the middle. Do the same thing in the bottom drawer. There you go. And for the last one, make sure that they have the same measurement, so it will be good when you look at it. Lock everything, and we're just going to flex it. Make sure that everything is right. There you go. So the dimension don't follow, but I think it's fine as long as the handles don't move. I think it's fine. And I'm trying to figure out if I can make it follow the flexing. No, but I think it's fine. Yeah. And now going to the 3D. This is now our cabinet. We are done now. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have a great day.